The double circulatory system is the human circulatory system. There are two parts to a double circulatory system. What are they? This is the double circulatory system. You can see here a major circulation and here another circulation. This is the first and this is the second. The pulmonary circulation, pulmonary means related to the lungs. These are the human lungs. They are the organs which get you the oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Deoxygenated blood, which here is represented by a blue color. This is your heart. If you cut it into two parts and look what is inside, you will find that the deoxygenated blood represented by blue color, and these arrows represent the direction of movement of the blood. Deoxygenated means it has little oxygen. This oxygen is not needed by the body. It leaves the heart. This pathway or blood vessel is called pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood. Now it is in the lungs. In the lungs, it loses the carbon dioxide and picks oxygen. It's not deoxygenated anymore. It is oxygenated blood. So it has to return to the heart by another pathway. This pathway is called the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein takes oxygenated blood and returns it back to the heart to the other side, so that the deoxygenated blood in this side is not mixed with the oxygenated blood in this side. This is the pulmonary circulation. Deoxygenated blood leaving the heart by the pulmonary arteries, going to the lungs where it gets oxygenated. It picks up oxygen and loses carbon dioxide. The oxygenated blood moves through the pulmonary veins and reaches the heart. This is the pulmonary circulation. What is the other circulation? It's called systemic circulation. Oxygenated blood, this blood, leaves the heart through the aorta. Now, this is a big artery where the blood flows. It flows to all body organs. The oxygenated blood unloads oxygen. Deoxygenated blood then returns to the heart via the vena cava. The systemic circulation consists of oxygenated blood leaving the heart through the aorta, circulated to all body organs, and then deoxygenated blood is collected and returns to the heart through the vena cava. Why is a double circulatory system more efficient than a single circulatory system? The double circulatory system is like that in the human being, where there is circulation going to the lungs and circulation going to all the organs of the body. Since the blood has to pump the blood twice, it has to operate under pressure. Pressure يعني ضغط، يعني قوة يضغط بها القلب على الدم علشان يمشي في السيركيليشن الطويلة دي. Because the double circulatory system pumps the blood at a high pressure, it can pump the blood fast and also for a long distance. What about the single circulatory system of a fish? It pumps the blood into the gills. Then the blood moves from the gills. This is the respiratory organ. It moves to all the body, then returns back to the heart. Just one circulation. Now, the blood does not need a strong or a high pressure. So the pressure here is less and the circulation is slower. So a single circulatory system pumps the blood at lower pressure. The blood flows slower and at less pressure, and therefore it is less efficient. The human circulatory system is made up of three components: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. The heart. It is the pump which pushes the blood into the blood vessels. Now the blood vessels, what are they? Blood vessels, you can see them, you can see some of them at the surface of your skin. They are the pipeline where the blood flows, because blood only circulates in blood vessels. They have three types: arteries, which carry the blood out of the heart; veins, which carry the blood towards the heart; and capillaries. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels within tissues. They also connect the arteries with the veins. That's why the circulation is closed. So the blood flows through the heart into arteries, then through blood capillaries and into veins. And at the end, it returns back to the heart. Heart, artery, and then through blood capillaries, it is collected, sent into veins, and veins return it back to the heart. This is the aorta, the biggest artery. It pushes the blood into the body. And this is vena cava, the largest vein. It returns the blood into the heart. So arteries carry the blood out of the heart, veins carry the blood towards the heart, and capillaries are present in tissues and connect arteries and veins. This is a blood vessel that has been cut open to show you the blood inside. These are the red blood cells. They flow inside blood vessels. The third component, which is the blood. The blood is the medium that transports materials. The blood circulation in the human being. There is the pulmonary circulation, where the blood goes into the heart, the lung, the right lung, and the left lung. There is the systemic circulation, where the blood goes to the liver, and it also goes to the stomach and intestine. And at the end of this circulation, the vena cava collects the blood, the venous blood, returns it back to the heart. Then another cycle starts, where the deoxygenated blood is sent to the lungs, oxygenated, then sent into the body, into the systemic circulation, passes by all the organs, then the capillaries, then connected by the venous blood, and return to this side of the heart, the right side.